Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is ZTE Axon 25G, and now I can show you top 3 bad themes for this device. Firstly, open the Play Store and find here Niagara launcher and click install. Open it, click agree, and great. As you can see here, we have really clear home screen without any inane features, so I suggest you set up dark wallpapers. But I really love this launcher because to find something you just need to click on alphabetical line and scroll to your desired data. For example, if you want to find Play Store, so just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and swipe to P button, and as you can see here is the Play Store. So it's very beautiful and very simple. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Click install and open. Get started, I agree, confirm, continue, allow, 2 seconds set wallpaper, and great. As you can see here we have here we have a really beautiful interface. So this interface is really amazing. Here we have amazing fonts, amazing widgets, and as you can see the wallpapers. Here we have news, and here we have apps grouping feature. So using this app grouping feature, you can group your apps by folders. For example, here I have contacts, so here I will have WhatsApp, Signal, Messenger, and other contacts applications. Here I'll have all surfing application. Here my games, media, utilities, and settings. So it's really easy to use. And of course, if you want, you have the alphabetical search, and you have not even the alphabetical search, but you have a normal search too. So it's really easy to use, it's simple, and it's beautiful. But the best launcher ever is Microsoft Launcher 1. So just download it and click open, get started, allow, continue, skip, OK, choose your favorite apps, continue, let go. Okay, so here we have glance panel. Glance panel is a really important feature. Here you can set up your favorite widgets. Here in the main menu you can hide unused applications, and here you have alphabetical line too, so you can use alphabetical line if you like it. And the best feature of this launcher is Microsoft. One of the best features of this launcher is the gestures. So tap and hold on the random free space on your home screen, click launcher settings, then scroll down and find here gestures. Choose the gesture you want to use. For example, swipe with 2 fingers from down to up and open app, for example, and for example, I don't know, Google Drive, but you need to set up your favorite app. And great. And now as you can see, I will have the setting up gesture, and now when I will swipe with 2 fingers from down to up, G Drive will be opened. If you want to set this or any other launcher as default, you need to open settings and choose apps, default apps, then choose home app, click on the settings button. Not settings button, but click on this home app, and here choose your favorite launcher. So I will use Microsoft, for example, and as you can see now it's my home launcher. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.